Hey guys, today we're going to do a review on the Musetex T400 PC case. Let's get right into it. So I built my first PC in this case, and overall I thought it was a pretty easy case to build in. I really like how all the exterior screws are thumb screws. That makes it really easy to pop components in and out. The 6 RGB fans are pretty good. I added 5 more RGB fans in there, so that adds even more RGB to it. And around the back, I would say the cable management is pretty good. There's enough space in the chassis. One thing I don't like is how short the front panel connectors are. They barely made it. I ended up having to put them behind my motherboard tray to get them to the front. Those are really short. The fan controller is nice. It uses SATA, which is good. This is the fan controller added. This is their built-in fan controller. I wish there was SSD mounts in the back, at least one, if not two, or make it so these screws were usable from the back. That would be really nice. Other than that, the cable management is pretty decent. I would have liked to see the 24-pin hole moved over a little bit. Mine barely squeezed through there. Like if I got cable mod cables, I doubt they'd be able to fit through there. I'd have to probably route them through here or something, but down here, the drive bays there's 2 drives, which is plenty for me, and that's the toolless removal is super easy. I don't even have to use screws to put them into the caddies. And in the back, I wish this was flat so that I could put stickers on this spot here, but that's a lot to ask for. Other than that, it's a pretty good back. I don't like these stickers. I removed them from the inside part, but not gonna unscrew the fans. So, and then if we go around to the front, all of the 2.5-inch bays are in here, which obviously means I had to show my hard drive, which wasn't a fan of, but I got this case for $80, which is a great deal. I would definitely recommend it. I like how these screws are accessible individually without a cover on them. I really don't like the covers. The power button feels pretty good too. I really like the feel of it. I don't have the reset switch plugged in. I do use the RGB button sometimes because I use this controller for all my fans. Even though it came with the fan set, it works for everything. So all the fans can turn off, but all the colors are kind of off. So I use the RGB button. But yeah, other than that, I think the RGB looks pretty good. You can see in the front and stuff. The glass panel is like super clear. I wish it would have been slightly tinted, but I can't complain on that. Yeah, everything inside looks pretty good, and the airflow is unsurprisingly with 12 fans or 11. The airflow is pretty good. I have it so that it all comes in here and exits through there, which is how I'd recommend for you too. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this case. And for $80, I'd say this is a great deal. And the one thing I do want to mention is when I was buying, I was looking for radiator support for the front. You cannot put a 480 rad in the front. You can only put a 360. And in the top, there is enough space, so I wanted to only put 2 screws in. I might be able to squeeze another fan in there, but realistically, there's only space for 2 fans. Yeah. And the screws for everything came included and stuff, so that was nice. So I would definitely recommend this case. And make sure to subscribe and like and comment and do all that weird stuff. Bye.